BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Fixing the broken ice cream truck.
It's so hot. That's the ice cream truck. I must be having an illusion because of this heat. Whoa! It's not an illusion. That's great. I want 10 ice creams. What's that? It stinks.
Oh, I'm broken. That's why I can't make any more ice cream.
Don't cry. I know someone who can help you.
Oh, no, that really stinks.
Everyone says you're the best mechanic around. Do you think you can help me?
Sure I can. Dear friends, are you ready for the job? Uh-oh! This is the signal for low battery. We need to recharge the ice cream truck first. The battery is charged. Ice cream truck, try to move around a bit.
Oh, this feels good. But I still have that really awful sting. The food in my fridge must have rotted when the battery died and I lost my power.
Don't worry. We can clean up the fridge for you.
Goodness! Super Mechanic Barry fainted from the smell!
Oh, it's really smelly. We must clean this now. Let's start by removing the filth.
Wow, the fridge is so clean!
Lastly, we'll put in the fresh foods. Let's see what's in the grocery basket. They're all done.
The bad smell is finally all gone.
Please check to see if you can already make tasty ice cream truck.
Sure!
Wow, there are so many flavors.
How about adding some fresh fruit? I was able to make delicious and sweet ice cream.
The repair is done. Dear friends, you were awesome.
Thanks for your help today. As a thank you gift, here's some delicious ice cream for you.
Wow!